Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about one technique, and after this video you can call this technique the best friend of your English speaking journey. So hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Neha. I share my English speaking journey here. So if you are also learning English and going through the same phase as me, then this channel is for you to learn English with me. So you may heard about this technique before because it's very famous technique, and I also practice this technique every single day. Like I do this technique every single morning for at least 15 to 20 minutes every day, okay? And the technique is shadowing technique. So if you don't know what shadowing technique we can simply say shadowing technique is to mimicking someone, to repeat after someone, okay? Like for example, I'm speaking to you right now, okay? And you just have to mimic me. You just have to listen to me and repeat after me. This is what shadowing technique is, okay? So I practice shadowing technique every single day, and trust me guys, it's a very effective and beneficial technique I ever practice. Just trust me, put the whole trust on me, okay, and start shadowing. And the best thing about this technique is it improves your fluency, it improves your pronunciation, it improves your speaking clarity, it improves your English speaking, it improves your like pronunciation. I said before, like, yeah, and like every single thing, you can learn new vocabulary from shadowing technique. You can be fluent from shadowing technique. Practice shadowing technique every single day. This is the best advice I'm giving you, okay? So today in this video I'm going to show you the video which I start shadowing, and like the video nowadays I shadowing, okay? So let's dive into the video. Let's not waste time. So guys, when I started shadowing, I started with a very easy and simple video. Let me just show you. So when I was so beginner, I afraid a lot of speaking, okay? So whenever I like supposed to be speak something, I get stuck. And maybe you can relate with me too, because this is the first problem and this is the major problem we face as a beginner, that we can't speak English properly. Like, we know English but we can't speak it. So it same goes to this technique also. While I used to shadowing, I get stuck because it's also very hard for me to like mimic something in English. It was really hard for me. So that's why I started the like shadowing with a very simple and easy video. So exactly with this video I started shadowing. So let me just show you that how I was shadowing on like my starting days.
I feel proud of my progress.
I feel proud of my progress.
I enjoy learning English.
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 You're doing great.
You're doing great.
Carefully.
I listen 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 carefully. And after the beginner level video, I moved on to these kind of videos. Let me just show you. It's B2 level. Okay, there's a lot of network issue, guys. Feels difficult.
Effective communication depends on both speaking and listening skills.
Effective communication depends on both speaking and listening skills. It takes too much time, guys.
Effective communication depends on both speaking and listening skills.
Effective communication depends on both speaking and listening skills.
I appreciate constructive feedback because it helps me improve.
I appreciate constructive feedback because it helps me improve. So this is how I like moved on to the beginner level video to this kind of video to just improve my fluency, okay? And then nowadays I shadowing Priyanka Chopra because she is my favorite speaker. So I'm not master in it, but still I'm trying to. So that's why I practice like shadowing Priyanka Chopra. So let me show you one small clip of this also. Oh my god, I'm fumbling a lot, okay?
success is often imagined as a grand moment, a spotlight, a celebration, a day when
A
everyone
day when
finally
everyone
notices your
finally
hard work
notices
and
your
applauds
hard
your
work and approach
achievements.
up.
But real
But real
success
success
rarely
rarely
arrives that
arrives the
way.
way.
Real success
Real
is built
success is built
quietly.
quietly.
It is
It is
created in
creating
ordinary moments,
ordinary,
hidden inside
hidden
daily
inside daily
choices, and
choices
seen too
and
small
seen
to
too
matter. The
dramatic.
truth is
The
that the
truth is,
power
the
of daily
power of
success
daily
is far
success
greater than the
far
power
greater
of
than the
occasional
power of
victories.
occasion
Many
victories.
people
Many
spend
people
years
spend
waiting for
years
the
waiting
perfect
for the perfect
opportunity. They
opportunity.
wait for
They wait for
confidence before they
confidence before
act.
they
They
act.
wait for
They wait for
motivation before
motivation
they
before
begin.
they
They
begin.
wait for
They
someone
wait
to
for
believe
someone to
in them
believe
before
in
they
them
believe
before
in
they believe in
themselves.
themselves.
But
But
life does
life
not
doesn't
reward those who
reward
wait
those who wait
forever.
forever.
Life
Life
rewards those who
rewards
show
those
up
who show up
consistently,
consistently,
even when they are
even when they are
uncertain,
uncertain,
afraid, or
afraid, or
tired. Every
tired, or every
extraordinary
extraordinary
achievement starts
achievement
with a
start
simple
with simple
decision, the
decision.
decision to
The
keep
decision to
going.
keep
Think
going.
about how
Think about
often
how
people
often people
underestimate the
underestimate
impact
the
of one
impact
day.
of one day. So guys, let me just tell you one more thing that I already told you. Priyanka Chopra is my like favorite speaker and she is like amazing. So I used to shadowing her a lot, like every single day. So I shadowing a particular video for maybe 10 to 15 times. Okay, and let me just show you one thing.
This is a question to feminist Priyanka.
Are you not a feminist?
Are you not a
So I'm asking
feminist?
you a question. For some stupidity of a boy, a girl gives a slap. As a feminist, I haven't seen you ever complaining against the abuse of a man. Where is your equivalent?
Can I answer that? Can I
Please
please answer it?
Because
Because physiologically, men and women are different, sir. There's no debate about it. Equality is not about physics. Oh my God, this is so basic. We have to get into it. When we talk about equality and opportunity, we talk about cerebral opportunity. We're not saying I'm to be able to be 200 pound like a man and beat the shit somebody else. We're not saying that. We are saying you get the ability to be get the job to be the CEO and nobody question you're driven at 50 and okay, okay. How you're managing or don't question me. That's what I'm saying. I can be a CEO and a mother.
So when a girl
So I made mistake, but that's totally fine. And so this is what I learned, and this is how I improve my fluency, my accent. This is how I work on my accent. This is how I work on my fluency, my like pronunciation. And if I can, my dear, you can too. So start practicing. Don't complain yourself that oh my God, I don't have that environment to practice English. Just make the environment, okay? So let's not like make this video a motivational video. So this is how I shadowing, and I already told you the benefits of shadowing, that it can help you to improve your pronunciation, your accent, your fluency, your like you can learn so many vocabulary. It can like help you to speak, it can like give you the confidence to speak English. So what you're waiting for, just start practice shadowing from today, like not even today, after this video, okay? After finishing this video, like after watching this video, start practicing shadowing. And guys, you have to do one thing for me. Just record a video clip while shadowing and send this video clip on my Instagram DM, and I will share your video on my Instagram story. So don't wait for anything. Just start shadowing now, right now, okay? And that's all for today, guys. I will see you in the next one. And if you found this video helpful, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos like this. So I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.